How to save money online in 2025. A. Use cashback and coupon tools. These websites and browser extensions like Honey, Rakuten, or Kashkaro show you coupons and cashback offers while you shop online, helping you save money on every purchase. B. Always compare prices. Use price comparison tools to compare prices across different websites before you buy. It's a great way to find the best deals on gadgets, fashion, and more. For example, this Amazon Echo Dot is cheaper on Walmart. C. Sign up for store alerts. Be the first to know when stores drop new deals by signing up for their newsletters, app notifications, and other alerts. This way you can get early access to discounts and save more on your purchase. D. Use secure payment methods. Not only do cashback credit cards offer rewards and points, they also provide an extra layer of security when shopping online. Shop during sales and deals. Whether it's flash, sale banners, shopping festivals like Black Friday, 11.11, or Prime Day, there are always sales happening somewhere. And as a bonus tip, set a monthly shopping budget and track your expenses. You can use a budget planner or a shopping cart to keep track of your spending. So there you go. With these tips, you're all set to save smart and shop smarter in 2025. Happy shopping!